Welcome back to 4K Tech. On my computer, I have a Post-it note covering up the webcam. It looks pretty tacky, so what I did is I purchased these webcam cover privacy protectors from Amazon. I got 6 of them for around $8, so that's a pretty good deal. Let's remove this Post-it note, then clean the area where the Post-it note was. Let's open the package and take a closer look at the webcam cover privacy protectors. Let's peel the backing off and stick it on the computer. It is super easy to use. Just slide the slider to the left to close it and to the right to open it. I feel like this is much safer than using a Post-it note. Just remember, when you're done using the webcam, to close it. This looks a lot better than a Post-it note. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you for tuning in to 4K Tech.